Let's see the proof. First, it's working. Now see how to download. Let's check how to download. Click on my description link. Scroll down and click on Dream Cricket Post. And pop up at Open. Click Back button. Click again on Post. You reached here. Scroll down and click Download. Again, pop-up ad show. Click Back button. Click on Download again. Drive open in front of you. Click Download on top. After downloading the game, open Z Archiver. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. Open Download folder and find your game. Click on Extract here. After extracting, scroll up and install the game. I hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.